Now, welcome back to the 13th tutorial of learning how to code for Pidgin English. For inside this tutorial, I go dey explain date and number type inputs. So, just as the name be, if you wan input date and number on top website, na like this dem dey do am. So, wetin I go just do first here be say I go do paragraph tag. I go say, please select your date of birth. Now, as I don talk say please select your date of birth, I go come put the input tag here say input. Now, the type, this attribute type wey go dey here, na im go come be the date. So na this attribute come change this information now to date. So wetin I go just do now be say save this information, go to our website, reload our website, and we go get the information. Shey you see? Please select your date of birth, and if I click like this, you go fit select the date of birth here. You fit go up, you fit go down, you fit go anywhere, you fit go year up, and you fit go month down. So the next thing wey I go dey discuss here now na the number type attribute. So wetin I go do now be say I go do my paragraph tag and talk say how many days you go use for my side when you come over. Now, I go come put my inside my input tag now. This type attribute go come be number. Very easy. So if I save this information now, come into our website, reload our website, and you go see say this one now e don become number. So you go fit answer the question say how many days you go use for my side when you come over. You go just talk say okay, na 10 days I go use o, na 6 days I go use o, na 3 days I go use. Now I go like show you this particular attribute for inside number type input wey be minimum and maximum. If I wan make e be like say the minimum number of days wey you go use for my side when you visit me na 5. So I go just talk say mean, here I go put 5 here. And if I want make e be like say the maximum number of days wey you go fit use for my side when you visit me na 10. So I go just put 10 here, say max 10. So if I save this information now, go back to our browser, reload our website, then you go see say here now I no fit go lesser than 5 because the minimum number of days wey you go fit spend for my side when you visit me na 5 days, and e no fit pass 10 days. If you visit me like this, you no fit pass 10 days wey be maximum number of days when you go fit use for my side when you visit me. So as we don talk about date and number type attribute input for inside this HTML tutorial, na so e go be. I go see you for the next tutorial where we go dey discuss about field set and legend.